Citrus Carpet Cleaning, Buford, Georgia today. This is a repeat commercial customer. He's a property manager, I guess, for a couple of local commercial properties. He told me, I believe this is 1,400 square feet. 1,420 is the square footage. So 1,420 times 35 cents is a $4.97. So this is basically a $500 job. It's 10:45. There's only two major, I guess, spots, if you will, areas of concern, which are mostly wear around what appeared to be a chair, office chair mat there, and this one is a little more defined and prominent here. Rest of the carpet's in good shape, so this should be a quick, easy job, which, as you know, we love those. So we'll shoot a quick after our video here in a few minutes. As you can see, it's about 11:20. We obviously had to use defoamer for the commercial carpet. Use deodorizer. Total is $4.97. As I said before, not much to see. It's kind of streaky because I retreated it with a disinfectant, so it's a lot damper in some areas, which is par for the course when it comes to Berber carpet. Berber carpet is always darker when it's damp versus when it's dry. And that's just the nature of the beast as far as Berber carpet goes. Whether it's commercial or residential, Berber carpet, when it's damp, is always darker than when it's dry. And whenever there's a traffic pattern, it's always darker there too, because the little loops from the Berber get matted down and we have unreflected light. So a lot of times Berber carpet, just from the traffic pattern, always looks dirty. And if you don't know how to tell the difference between dirt and traffic, is if you look at the carpet from different angles or in different lighting, if the shading changes, then it's more than likely the matting of the carpet, because if it was dirt, it would look the same from all angles. So it's JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning doing commercial today. 770-652-0630 on the web at citruscarpetcleaningatlanta.com or 770-NoSteam.com. As always, we put everybody in the business. We sell our product, a non-soapy cleaning solution. If you're interested, as always, take care and be kind.